Alright guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about GitHub. To begin with, what is GitHub? GitHub is a software development platform by Microsoft. Its key feature is version control, more on that later. And Git is one of the most important tools you need as a programmer, so let's get straight into it. So what is version control? Version control is a system that records changes to a file or a set of file over a period of time so that you can recall to a specific version later. So basically in production, we will have multiple commits, and if at all any error occurs in a single commit, we'll be able to roll back to the previous version without any hassle. So to get started, we'll need a GitHub account, install Git and an IDE. So an IDE is an integrated development environment on which we'll be writing our code. I'll be using VS Code for the same. You can use whatever you want. So to get started, we'll be creating a GitHub account. So if we move on to our browser and go to the URL github.com, you'll find a button called sign up where we can create our account over here. Since I already have my account, I'll just log in directly into my account. So alright guys, we are into my account. So this is the first step. Second step is we'll be needing Git on our system. So you can install Git by going to the current URL. I'll put the URL in the description below. So you can click or download for the specific version of your system. And third, we'll be using an IDE. So for the IDE that I'll be using is VS Code. So you can download VS Code by going to the official website of Visual Code, and you can download the specific version that is required for your system. So that's all for the setup, guys. See you all in the next video where we'll be creating a commit, push and pull requests.